Welcome coders. I have an exciting announcement for you. I'm gonna start a new tutorial series and it's based on all the latest technologies and latest versions. And it is on React 19, React Router DOM version 7, Tailwind. These are the latest version as of 2025 March 2025. Okay, and I will create 5 basic projects and we will create a large and huge mammoth project. It's stack TypeScript, RTQ query, Docker, and e-commerce. So it will be an exciting journey. So I will show you the initial setup today. We will go with React 19, React Router DOM 7, Tailwind 4, and basic setup and basic routing. And you see, if you go to the React Router DOM version 7, they have 3 recommendations: picking a mode, framework mode, data mode, and declarative mode. But declarative mode is basic. Okay, we will start with that. So declarative just move you between rooms in the house. This is an analogy. Okay, or data moves you to a room and brings you a snack for that room. Framework builds the whole house, stock the base. So it's huge, but we will start declarative mode. But declarative will give you a huge thing also. A small hobby project declarative need into a page like a weather app. So it will be data mode and framework mode. Okay, building something big like Netflix, it will be Netflix mode. Okay, so first of all, let's go with the initial setup. Okay, with the all latest versions. Okay, so go to the Vite first of all. No, it's not my project Vite. Okay, get started, and inside Vite you will get React. No need. npm this one. Okay, I'm looking for this one and create the basic project name, say YouTube React 19 React Router DOM 7, set Tailwind CSS 4. So all the latest versions. Okay, so we will use React, we'll use TypeScript. And have I mentioned about TypeScript? No, I will use TypeScript. Okay, TypeScript. Okay, so now cd YouTube and npm install afterwards I need to install the Tailwind CSS. Go to docs. Okay, I will do it. Let's see, it's taking a little bit of time. By this time we can see the framework. So decision advice, every mode supports any. So you have to know which mode you should use. So this is framework mode, this is data mode if you want to data feature but also want to have control over bundling data. So this is advanced and this is also advanced, but we will start from declarative mode. This is basic, and if you are used to version 6, so we are very used to and familiar with React Router DOM version 6, version 5. So this is very user friendly for us and time befitting. So it has the differentiation, framework data and declarative. They have the differentiation in between framework data and declarative. So basically what the most of the things are needed are in the declarative mode. So we need link, it is here. We need meta nav links, it is here. We need outlet, very important. We need navigate, it is important, it is here. So most of the things are there, no worries. So if we can be very familiar with the declarative, so we can gradually upgrade to data or framework. Okay, So we are pretty good to go with the declarative mode. Okay. We are done. Now open the code. So if I run npm run dev, so if we open it in the browser, you will see the bare minimum structure. Okay, so we are done. So now go for the Tailwind. So we need to install the Tailwind. Okay, so go for Tailwind CSS, and we need to have this Tailwind CSS in our bit config. Go to bit config and we need to do this here. Okay, we don't need comma as it is the last one, and we need to import the file. Import. Okay, then we need to import Tailwind CSS in our CSS file. So where is our CSS file? This is our CSS file. I am removing everything and using it over here. Then we are good to go. Then npm run dev, and I am trying to bare minimum just to test whether everything is working or not. So go to the main.ts6, not app. Yeah, we have some unnecessary files over here. So removing it, and I am using it. We don't need it. Class name. Okay, hello world. I am giving set text. Okay, let's see. Before that, we need to check in the package.json file or whether we have everything or not. You see, we have React 19, React DOM, Tailwind CSS 4. Now we need another thing, and React Router DOM version 7 from the installation. Let's see. Yeah, Tailwind is working. Otherwise, we have not gotten this word. Okay, so go to the installation mode, npm install React router. Okay, npm run dev, and you see you are getting React router version 7. Okay, so we have all the latest technologies: React 19, React router DOM version 7, and Tailwind 4. So we are so much excited because we are working on the latest versions, all the latest versions as of March 2025. So it will be an wonderful journey, and you will get a lot of things like React 19, React Router DOM version 7, 4, 5 basic projects, and use large mammoth projects. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected. And finally, I want to show one thing, whether main.tsx, main dot say I want to make the color red, text red, say 500. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's working. So our initial setup is done with React 19 version 7, router DOM version 7, Tailwind 4, and you will get everything. So please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. And your likes and subscribe gives me a great motivation. Then I will get excitement to go ahead early with these 5 basic projects and large projects. But if you don't give me support or thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, I will lose my motivation. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected, and support me, please. Thank you very much. See you soon.